Hi, welcome. I have a question for you. Do you find some time that you are not able to express what you want to express in your relationship with your spouse, your loved ones? And sometimes you may find that you are using the words which you should not use it, and because of that you are having a problem in your relationship. My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal, and I find out, because I am a hypnotist, NLP trainer, I find out I get a lot of cases where the couples were in good love and good relationship, and suddenly something happened. They started drifting apart. The reason is what they communicate to each other. They use the wrong words. They don't know how to talk. So that what happens, the person take it differently, and then they start fighting each other, breaking of relations happen, marriages itself happen. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I created a very powerful course called Hypnotic, Words for Relationships. Now, why this is hypnotic? Because we are dealing with their subconscious mind. Most of the time we don't know what you say is affecting them unconsciously. That's why you are having a problem. So I've created a very powerful course for the couples, people who are in love, people who are in relationship. Even this course helps people who are in a communication, dealing with their clients, dealing with your colleagues in the office also, but specially made for the couples. Now, in this course, you are going to learn, which will be on WhatsApp, so you can learn from your home. It will be 21 days course, where you learn more than 60, approximately more than 60 words and phrases to use in your communication, so that you start coming closer and start living together. And I'll give you as a bonus around 16 words not to use in your communication, or phrases not to use, which we use most of the time, and because of that we are having a problem in our relationship. And then, my friend, as a bonus, I'll give you something much powerful, and 19 hypnotic questions for relationship. When you use these questions, the person goes a kind of a hypnotic trance, and they start thinking about all the good things. You have traveled together, worked together, and that create a very powerful bonding, a very powerful. So my friend, this course is going to start on 11th of May on WhatsApp. So you don't need to fix a time. The lessons will be coming every day on your WhatsApp mobile. You can practice of your own anytime you want for 21 days, except Sundays, starting on 11th. Normally this course I charge more than 8,000 rupees. Now, as it is a WhatsApp workshop, because of the lockdown period, I brought the fees to a very nominal fee, that is 900 rupees plus GST, which comes to approximately 1,062 rupees. That's all. 900 plus GST. GST is around 18%, 162, and you get these two bonuses worth 3,000. What are the bonuses? As I told you, 16 phrases not to use, avoid, so that you can save your relationship. Plus 19 very powerful words and phrases, questions, hypnotic magic questions, so that when you ask this question in your relationship with your spouse, your lover, or your friends, they go into a hypnotic kind of trance, and they start relieving their powerful emotions, and that emotion get attached to you because it is a hypnotic questions. So this is 3,000 worth you get free. So workshop is starting on 11th of May. So my friend, if you really want to improve your relationship, save your married life, save your relationship with your lovers and your spouse, and bring closer and live happily, this is the course for you, my friend. And now this course, once you take, it will help you in other ways also, how you can have a better relationship with your colleagues, your business partners, your clients. So my friend, if you really want to improve your life, improve your relationship, have a wonderful relationship with your wife, spouse, or your loved ones, this is a course for you. So click on the link below, register right now. You can use the given there on our website link. You can use Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, or you can use credit card. And if you're out of India, it is $20. You can use PayPal. Now the good news is you don't need to pay $20. If you have a credit card, just pay your money now, accepting the international payment also in Indian rupees. So my friend, register right now and I'll see you soon personally. Thank you very much.